Sniff. "Will you look after Sniff today?" said Mrs. May. Wilf and Wilma were happy. They wanted to look after the puppy. They took Sniff to the park. The puppy was excited. Sniff liked to roll on her back, jump up for a stick, run after a bull, and bark at a cat. Then Sniff went in the mud. She ran after a duck. She jumped in the pond, and she barked at a dog. "I am hot," said Wilf. "I want a rest." "I am hot too," said Wilma. "I want a drink." Mom couldn't find Sniff. She couldn't find Wilf and Wilma. Mom and Dad looked and looked. They were fast asleep. "They are wore out," said Dad. Like, share and subscribe Arsal Academy and press the bell icon.